तुम अपने कमरे में हो क्या? आर यू इन योर रूम? आर यू इन योर रूम? क्या तुम हमेशा यहाँ रहते हो? डू यू ऑलवेज लिव हियर? डू यू ऑलवेज लिव हियर? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो अभी? वेयर आर यू गोइंग नाउ? वेयर आर यू गोइंग नाउ? तुम कब घर जाते हो? When do you go home? When do you go home? तुम्हें यह जगह कैसी लगती है? How do you like this place? How do you like this place? क्या तुम्हारा परिवार यहाँ है? Is your family here? Is your family here? तुम यहाँ क्यों आए? Why did you come here? Why did you come here? बिना सोच विचार मत बोलो. Don't speak without thinking. Do not speak without thinking. आवाज़ मत करो. Don't make noise. Do not make noise. यहाँ ज़्यादा मत रुकना. Don't stay here too long. Do not stay here too long. ये जगह हमारे लिए नहीं है. This place isn't for us. This place is not for us. इस विषय पर मत बोलो. Don't speak on this topic. Do not speak on this topic. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. बिना कारण मत हंसो. Don't laugh without reason. Do not laugh without reason. मेरी नकल मत करो. Don't imitate me. Do not imitate me. क्या तुम्हें मेरी फाइल मिल गई थी? Did you find my file? Did you find my file? क्या आप मेरे किसी पोस्ट या लेख से वाकिफ हैं? Are you familiar with one of my posts or articles? Are you familiar with one of my posts or articles? चलो धीरे धीरे सब समझते हैं. Let's slowly figure it all out. Let's slowly figure it all out. आपने मेरा चेहरा कहाँ देखा था? Where did you see my face? Where did you see my face? चलो तथ्यों पर ध्यान दें. Let's focus on the facts. Let's focus on the facts. क्या आपने मेरा नाम कहीं सुना है? Have you heard my name somewhere? Have you heard my name somewhere? चलो सच्चाई की ओर बढ़ते हैं. Let's move toward the truth. Let's move toward the truth. ये टिकट बुकिंग किसने की थी? Who booked this ticket? Who booked this ticket? क्या तुम्हें मेरी लिस्ट मिली? Did you get my list? Did you get my list? ये फोटोकॉपी किसकी है? Whose photocopy is this? Whose photocopy is this? ये निर्णय किसका था? Whose decision was this? Whose decision was this? क्या तुम्हें वह रिकॉर्डिंग मिली? Did you get the recording? Did you get the recording? क्या तुम्हें वह मेल मिला? Did you get that mail? Did you get that mail? मुझे एक अजीब सी आवाज़ सुनाई दी. I heard a strange sound. I heard a strange sound. कोई पास में नहीं दिख रहा. No one is seen nearby. No one is seen nearby. सभी लोग चले गए हैं. Everyone has left. Everyone has left. यहाँ कोई तुम्हें सुन नहीं सकता. No one can hear you here. No one can hear you here. डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. There's nothing to be afraid of. There is nothing to be afraid of. कहीं मत जाओ अकेले. Don't go anywhere alone. Do not go anywhere alone. बाहर मत जाओ अभी. Don't go outside now. Do not go outside now. तुम मुझसे क्या छुपा रही हो? What are you hiding from me? What are you hiding from me? क्या तुम मुझ पर भरोसा करते हो? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? तुम इतने चुप क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? तुम मुझसे क्यों बच रही हो? Why are you avoiding me? Why are you avoiding me? तुम मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं चलना चाहते? Why don't you want to come with me? Why do not you want to come with me? तुम किसके इंतज़ार में हो? Whom are you waiting for? Whom are you waiting for? तुम क्या सोच रही हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? क्या तुम मुझसे खुश हो? Are you happy with me? Are you happy with me? तुम इतना उदास क्यों हो? Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ पूछना चाहते हो? Do you want to ask me something? Do you want to ask me something? क्या तुम सच बोल रही हो? Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun. Do not make fun. क्या आप मेरे स्कूल या कॉलेज से हैं? Are you from my school or college? Are you from my school or college? चलो गहराई से सोचते हैं. Let's think deeply about this. Let's think deeply about this. आपको मेरे बारे में किसने बताया? Who told you about me? Who told you about me? क्या आप मेरे किसी रिश्तेदार को जानते हैं? Do you know any of my relatives? Do you know any of my relatives? चलो सुराग ढूंढते हैं. Let's look for clues. Let's look for clues. चलो शुरुआत से देखते हैं. Let's start from the beginning. Let's start from the beginning. क्या आप सोशल मीडिया से जानते हैं? Do you know me from social media? Do you know me from social media? मुझे अकेला मत छोड़ो. Don't leave me alone. Do not leave me alone. हमें यहाँ से निकलना चाहिए. We should leave this place. We should leave this place. कृपया सावधान रहो. Please be careful. Please be careful. यहाँ रास्ता सुरक्षित नहीं है. This road isn't safe. This road is not safe. यहाँ आना ठीक नहीं है. It's not okay to come here. It is not okay to come here. ये घर खाली पड़ा है. This house is vacant. This house is vacant. बाहर अंधेरा है और कोई नहीं है. It's dark outside and no one is around. It's dark outside and no one is around. दरवाज़ा बंद है, कोई अंदर नहीं है. The door is closed, no one is inside. The door is closed, no one is inside. ये कॉल रिकॉर्ड किसकी है? Whose call record is this? Whose call record is this? क्या वह चीज़ तुम्हें मिल गई? Did you get that thing? Did you get that thing? ये आईडी किसकी है? Whose ID is this? Whose ID is this? क्या तुम्हें वह कोड मिला? Did you receive the code? Did you receive the code? ये फोटो किसकी है? Whose photo is this? Whose photo is this? क्या तुम्हें मेरे दस्तावेज मिल गए? Did you get my documents? Did you get my documents? ये संदेश किसने भेजा है? Who sent this message? Who sent this message? तुम अपने लक्ष्य पर ध्यान केंद्रित करो. You stay focused on your goal. You stay focused on your goal. तुमने मेरा भरोसा जीता है. You have earned my trust. You have earned my trust. तुम हर किसी का ध्यान रखते हो. You care for everyone. You care for everyone. तुम अपने काम में माहिर हो. You are an expert at your work. You are an expert at your work. तुम हर काम ईमानदारी से करते हो. You do everything honestly. You do everything honestly. तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पसंद है? What do you like the most? What do you like the most? तुम सबसे ज़्यादा किससे डरते हो? What are you most afraid of? What are you most afraid of? तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा गर्व किस पर है? What are you most proud of? What are you most proud of? क्या तुम अपनी भावनाएं जाहिर कर सकते हो? Can you express your feelings? Can you express your feelings? तुम किसके साथ रहते हो? Who do you live with? Who do you live with? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? Where is your house? Where is your house? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. If you like this video and learn something new from this video or this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.